That's right, you read the title correctly. I want to help you grow your photo video business. Let's get into it right now. So first off, I'm sure you're wondering, what are you talking about? What is this? And how could you do something like that? So let me tell you right now. I started my own membership program on my website to help you guys along your photo video journey. Doesn't matter where you are. You can be a seasoned professional or just starting out and don't even know camera basics. I'm here to help. And I'll just go ahead and highlight some of the best perks of this membership. First off, there's a private chat where you and I can communicate on a daily basis. This is where you can ask questions, post some of your work, get feedback, anything you want. And the cool thing is that this is a growing community, so it's not just me. Other people might chime in and give you feedback as well, which I think is really awesome. Along with that, you also get access to a digital welcome member pack that I created of some of my most used digital assets for editing. Some of these are Lightroom presets, video LUTs, audio presets, some sky photos that you can use in your real estate photos, and some other things too. Lastly, and probably my favorite perk, is you get an exclusive access to a behind the scenes raw uncut video series that I'm posting on my website where only the members can view it, not people on YouTube. And you're probably wondering, what's the point of that? You know, you post a lot of content on here and I get great feedback from you guys. But the thing about this, it's super raw and uncut. For example, the first video that I posted for this month was like 25 minutes long. You come along with me during a real estate photo shoot and I tell you what I'm thinking about, the composition that I'm doing, which was the main focus of the first episode. It's totally different from YouTube where it has to be uncut. Think about the algorithm, engagement, retention times, all of those things, and I just wanted somewhere where I can just pretend as if you're right there next to me trying to learn. So you're probably wondering, how much does this all cost? Probably a fortune, right? No, it simply costs $5 per month. Plus you can pay annually and get 10% off. So you're probably wondering why I started something like this, and here's the backstory. So now that my channel is steadily growing and I'm growing a viewer base specifically in the real estate photo video space, I constantly get asked so many questions all the time. Whether it's through the YouTube comments where I try and answer every single one as long as I can, DMs on Instagram, emails, text messages, calls, it just becomes a lot. And like the videos I make on this channel, I love to help you guys and give you as much info as I can along your photo video journey. So I wanted to create a space where that $5 per month, that small investment, will contribute to growing that community, being able to support what I do on this channel and just keep everything rolling. So I'm excited because now there will be an exclusive place where people can ask questions, ask advice, get feedback on their work, get access to an exclusive video series, some digital products, and hopefully more perks to be added in the future and cool things to come. So honestly, my goal with this new membership program is to help you grow your photo video business. Whatever step, wherever you are in your journey, whether you're just picking up a camera for the first time, or maybe you're trying to turn that side hustle into a full-time career, or maybe you do have an established photo video business doing this full-time, but just wanting to take it to the next level. I want to create a community of all of those people to help each other out. Lastly, I want to talk about another product that I added on my website, which is a one-on-one mentorship video call. So this is something that I've actually gotten asked to do in the past, and I've dabbled with it, and I'm finally excited to make it available for you all. With this one-on-one mentorship call, you can purchase it in my store. We set up a time to have a 1-hour video chat. You can send me questions or topics you want to talk about in advance and ask me anything. This way I can block off some of my work time, not do any listing shoots or video shoots, and just give you my full attention and give you as much info as I can. You can ask me any photo video questions, things you're struggling with, things about my business, anything you want to chat about, I'm here to help. And if you're part of the monthly membership that I was talking about previously, you get 25% off everything in my store, including the digital products and this one-on-one mentorship call. So that's pretty much it. I know this was a quick casual video with not a tutorial based video like I try and make every video on my channel, but I'm just really excited about this. This is something I've been wanting to do for a long time. We already have a handful of members in there, which is awesome, and some people that are already chatting, asking questions, posting some of their work in the private chat, which is so awesome because now when I see that, I can just answer them, give any feedback, or other people might chime in. So it's really cool because it's so hard to just communicate through the YouTube comments or just through email or DMs. Like, I can't keep up with all of it. I really try to, but there's only so much I can do through those platforms versus a space where the whole point of it is to learn and communicate with you guys as much as I can. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like if you enjoyed, comment down your thoughts, subscribe if you haven't already. I would love for you guys to be part of the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.